How to customize lead layout form. A lead layout is a module that consists of fields and sections with which you can capture all necessary information about a record. The lead layout feature in Kylas allows users to create a separate layout for different teams and roles. You can customize layout forms for when a user adds or edits a lead. Here is how you can customize your lead layout form. To get started, log into your Kylas account. Go to CRM settings on your Kylas app. Click on the User Management tab and go to Profile Permissions. Choose a profile to grant permissions and click on the Configuration Management tab and grant the required permissions in the Layout row. To create or edit a lead layout, click on Customizations and then choose Layouts. Click on the New Layout button in the top right corner. Choose a preferred option from Add Lead Layout, Edit Lead Layout, and Lead Details Layout. To create a new layout, click on the layout type and choose Add Lead Layout. Click on the pencil icon to change the layout name. Click on the Add New Section button to create different sections. Create as many sections as you want and rename the section as per your requirement. Let's create two sections, Basic Info and Requirements. Drag and drop fields from the All Fields menu, like first name, last name, phone numbers, etc., in either of the sections. Click on the ellipsis button against each field to find options like Remove Field, Mark as Required, Mark as Important, Mark as Unimportant, and Mark as Optional. Click on the Preview button to preview the final form. If it looks fine, click on Save and Next. Now, you can assign profile permissions. Choose Select Profiles for the layout to explicitly assign the layout to some profiles. Choose Make it a default layout to assign it to every other profile. The system will ask if you are sure to mark this layout as your default layout. If you select a profile that has a layout assigned already, it will disassociate the previous one, and the new one will be assigned. Save the layout and you will be redirected to the Layout Listing page, where you will find details including layout type, status, type, user profiles, created by, created at, updated by, and updated at. To check whether your layout is updated or not, click on the plus sign on the top right-hand corner and click on Add Lead. It will get reflected there. Now let's see how to customize your Edit Lead Layout form. On the Layout Listing page, click on the New Layout button in the top right corner and choose Edit Lead Layout. Rename the Edit Layout page and add as many sections as you want. Rename them as per your requirement and add as many fields as you want. Click on the preview to take a look at how your layout looks. If it looks fine, click on Save and Next. Assign profiles accordingly, and then click on Save. Click on the New Layout button in the top right corner. Choose Lead Details Layout. Rename the Lead Details page. Drag and drop up to 8 fields from All Fields in the header section. Move to the Tab section and choose Tabs to be displayed on the Lead Details page. Click on the drop-down menu on the right-hand side to select tabs from an existing layout. As soon as you choose a layout, all the tabs from that layout will get added to your tab section. You can add and remove fields based on your needs. You can also add new tabs and fields as per your needs. Click on the Add New button to add custom tabs. Rename the tabs as per your needs. And drag the drop fields from all fields. Click on the preview to take a look at how your layout looks. If it looks fine, click on Save and Next. Assign profiles accordingly, and then click on Save. Click on the ellipsis menu and select Clone to create a copy of the layout to save time. Add or subtract fields and rename the layout and sections as per your requirement. With the help of the Layout feature, you can create customized lead forms. Note that if you don't create any layouts, you will have to use the default system layout.